Now welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and before we begin, for quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila. So right now we're gonna tour you through this well-designed home, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features. Beginning with the property size, it has a generous lot area of 372 square meters and a floor area of 300 square meters. For the specific home features, it has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 2-car port, an open concept living space, a front porch garden, a spacious private garden, a dining and kitchen area, a service area, a water tank tower, a storage room, a maid's room, and also has air conditioning units included. And all this in a highly secure community with fast access to Sukat Road and SM City BF Homes. Now let's begin the tour. This is a beautiful single-level property with the front of the house facing the south. Sunset is on this side and sunrise is on the other side. Let's go in. Upon entering the house, you have a spacious garden and patio area on your left. And a 2-car garage on your right. This house has a very classic and welcoming design with a nice pebbled and tiled walkway leading up to the main entrance. You can see that the parking area also has a high ceiling, and it's also spacious enough for 2 large SUVs. Now let's go in. Now welcome to your beautiful home. The great thing about having a 372 square meter lot is, upon entering the house, you're welcomed by an open, planned living space all the way to the dining and kitchen area. It's also well lit because you have this large window which slides open towards a patio space here. Let's take a quick look. You can see from the clear blue sky that this open area gives a lot of ventilation and light to the area of the living space. You have enough space here for a small outdoor living room set, and it's great also for small barbecues and get-togethers. Now let's head back in. The living area extends all the way to this side of the house. So there's so much that you can do in terms of how you can arrange your furniture, and it leads naturally here to a spacious main dining space. We're going through the main areas first and amenities before we go to the bedrooms later. So here you see that you have enough space here for an 8 or even 10-seater table. And you have a high ceiling. It's very well lit. You can see the other portions of the property here. You can see your living space and kitchen. And it's very well ventilated through the sliding door, which leads out to a spacious garden area. Your garden area is very spacious. There's enough space here to even put a small lounge pool if you'd like. You already have a faucet space over here. You can easily have an additional entertainment bar space here. And in the afternoons, it's very cool and it's a great place for the family to hang out. And you also have two ways to access it, from your main dining space, and you have another sliding door here leading to one of the bedrooms, which we will explore later. You also have a really well-designed trellis in this space where you have these plants, giving it a very welcoming and pleasant feel. Now let's head back in. From your garden and dining space area, let's now welcome you to your main kitchen space. Your kitchen is spacious, well organized, and you have a lot of storage space. You have a nice granite counter here where you can have some high stools so that you can use this as an informal space. And this is a great spot for preparing food. You already have the circuit breakers on this side, so it's all very well organized. And you already have access here for the different wiring in the house. And on this side, you have a nice lighted pantry space. On top of that, you already have stainless steel metal drawers here for storage. And you have access here leading to your service area. This is a nice wet kitchen space. You can have your laundry here in this space, and you already have a steel tower with a storage tank for your water here. And on this side, you have a storage space just for additional storage. That just shows that every space in this house was maximized. Let's head back in. And now it's time to take a look at the bedrooms. Here towards the front of the house is your master bedroom. Your master bedroom is spacious with well-placed pin lights, giving it a very quiet and calm feeling. And it also gives you plenty of space on where you can orient your bed. You can have it here or on this side. And it also comes with this large sliding door leading out to a private patio and garden space at the front of your house that we saw earlier. But let's take a quick look. So right now, the grass just needs a little trimming, but this is a great spot to hang out in the afternoons as well, because you actually can't be seen if you're sitting down here from the front of the house. And once the afternoon sun comes in, this wall protects you from it, so it's quite cool in the afternoons here. So you can imagine having a table over here and maybe some lawn chairs over here. Now let's head back in. And here we have your master bathroom and walk-in closet space. The walk-in closet is very spacious. You have more than enough room for a lot of clothes and different personal items. And you even have a nice area here that you can use for bags, clothes, or even shoes. And you have a nice dresser area on this side. And on the other side, you already have a really nice sink space with really nice dramatic lighting actually. And on this side, a shower enclosure and the rest of the bathroom. Let's head back up. By now, you notice that this is an excellent property for people who don't want to have a second level in their house, but they want a really spacious area. So this is excellent for anyone who's retiring, anyone who doesn't want to have like an elevator anymore or stairs, but wants an open and welcoming space. So here we have your second bedroom. Your second bedroom is spacious and it has a nice rectangular shape. So it's very easy to configure in terms of where you can put your bed. And it's also well lit and well ventilated because of this sliding door leading to your garden space. So let's just have a quick look on your perspective from this room. So imagine walking out in the mornings and seeing your garden. And it already comes with a Samsung split type air conditioning unit and its own bathroom. It already comes with a walk-in closet space, and a well-designed bath area. Let's head back out. From your master bedroom and second bedroom, we now take a look at your third bedroom, which is positioned at the front of the house as well, right beside the driveway area. This is the smallest room in the property. This can serve as a great home office, den space, movie room, guest room, and it cools very quickly because it has the split type air conditioning unit and the room is very modestly sized. But it also already comes with its own bathroom. So you can see once again, it has a unique design which is consistent with the other rooms but also has a character of its own. Let's head back up. From the first, second, and third rooms, let's now head on over to the fourth bedroom. So this is right beside your dining space. There. So this is a very well lit room. It's facing the west side of the property. It's the afternoon right now while we're shooting this video. That's why we have the sun streaming in. But you can see this is a beautiful visual. You can see the plants from the trellis in the garden outside. And it has a great view of the garden from here. You could call this the garden bedroom, including the other one as well with the sliding door. So you have 2 garden bedrooms. And if you think about it, even your master bedroom also has its own private garden in the front of your house. So this room also comes with its own bathroom. So you see the shower enclosure wall has a different tone, but still looks quite elegant. Now let's head back up. Lastly, we have a room over here, right beside the service area, which is our maid's room. It already has storage cabinets and its own bathroom. That ends our quick property tour video of this brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila. To know more about this property, check out the next portion for important reminders for home buyers. If you want to know more about this property and schedule a property viewing, don't forget to click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. You can also message us on Instagram, Facebook, and to be notified of our future videos, click that like button and that little bell button so that you can be informed. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family. Here's one more look at this well-spaced and relaxing brand new house and lot for sale in BF Homes, Paranaque City.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.